Hi guys, I'm Untitled Chapter from My Choices YouTube channel. As I mentioned in the previous video, today we are going to talk about Home tab. Without time wasting, let's focus on what are the basic tools and function that include in the Home tab. This is the group sequence that I am going to introduce to you in this video. Font group is basically provides to you the ability of change font color, change font size, change the font, bold the text, italicize the text, underline the text, apply borders to selected cells according to your need, and change the color the background of selected cells. This font group helps you to design the appearance of your data set according to your need. The second one is alignment group. As like the name, this group provides to you the ability of changing the alignments of the text that we had selected. Those 6 tools that are shown in the screen, are used to align the text into 9 different positions in a cell. The orientation tool that is shown in the screen is helping you to rotate the text. It has 5 standard different orientations, and as per you need, it can be customized. Next tool is indent tool. There are 2 indent tools which named as increasing indent tool and decreasing indent tool. Basically, those indent tools help you to move your content away from cell border or move your content closer to cell border. Wrap text tool. If you have a longer sentence than the cell width, it can divide into 2 lines with the help of wrap text tool. The last tool in the alignment group is merge tool. You can merge several cells into one with the help of this tool according to your need. There are 4 standard merge type. Those are merge and center, merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells. The next group is number group. This group basically provides to you the ability to change the number formats. Number format is used to control the display of cell value that contain numeric data. This numeric data can include things like dates, time, costs, percentage, and anything else expressed as a number. In the top of the number group, we can see drop-down list called number format. Those are the formats that you are able to convert your cell content. On top of the list, we can see general format which has no specific format, and the bottom of the drop-down list you can see more number format option. By clicking on more number format, you can customize your number format according to your needs. For an example, if I take a date format, there are numerous of ways to format a cell content in date format. Below the number format drop-down list, we can see 5 quick accessing buttons to easy use. First button converts the cell format to accounting format, and by clicking on the tiny arrow button, you can easily change the currency type. By clicking on the second button, you can convert the number into percentage format. By clicking the third button which named comma style, you can separate the number by commas according to the accounting standards. If you want to increase or decrease the decimal values that your number has, you can use increase decimal tool or decrease decimal tool. Under the style group there are 3 functions. The first one is conditional formatting. With the help of conditional formatting function, you can show the trends and patterns in visually by highlighting the important values of your data set under your needed condition. Let me explain about this by an example. There I selected a data range. Now I want to highlight the numbers which are greater than 25. Under conditional formatting function, I selected the highlight cells rules and I choose the greater than condition. Here in the dialog box, I can enter the value of the condition, and then I can customize the appearance of the highlighting method, or I can select a default highlighting method by out of those 6. If I want to highlight as the representing the value of the cell that include, I can use data bar function. Then this is the output that we are going to have, or you can select the color scale function according to your need. If you want to create a new rule with your own highlighting method, you can do it with the help of new rule option, or if you want to clear the existing rule that had applied before, you can clear the rules by clear rules option. With the help of managed rules option, you are able to edit existing rules as your wish. The next function is Format as Table. With the help of Format as Table option, you can easily select a one style out of 60 default designs and change the appearance of your data table, or you can customize as your wish by clicking on the new table style option. Cell style function is also like format as table function. The difference between format as table and cell style option is, by the format as table, it makes the output as a table design, but the cell style option make the output as just as cells. As like as the format as table function, you are able to change appearance of the cells just by one click with the help of cell style function, or you can customize as your need with the help of new cell style option. Okay, then I am going to describe about the clipboard group. The reason which I bypass the explanation of the clipboard group is, there should be some basic knowledge about font, alignment, numbers, and styles groups to describe the format painter tool. You can copy the formatting settings which done with the help of font, alignment, numbers, and styles groups in a certain cell, and you can paste those formatting on another cell or cell range like this. Simply, this is the cut tool, this is the copy tool. In the copy tool that we can see two types of copying techniques. First one is a normal copy process, and you can copy the content as a picture also. After copying a content, you can be pasted in Excel sheet by various techniques. You can paste it as regular paste, you can paste it as a formula, as an image, or as a link. There are 14 different types of paste techniques. Try all those things and you will find the type that you needed. The most common types that need to regular activities are normal paste, keep source formatting paste, value paste and picture paste. The next group is cells group. You can manage the cells with the help of this group. You can insert cells, insert rows, insert columns, insert sheet, or delete a cell, delete rows, delete columns, delete a sheet. You can adjust the cell height and width according to your need. And also you are able to control the visibility of selected rows, columns, and active sheet by hide and unhide option. As like this. You can rename the sheet name and give a name and color to your sheet. If you want protects to the Excel sheet by adding a password, this is the function that you have to use. Let me show it. Just clicking on the protect sheet function. There is popping up a dialog box. These are the activities that you can allow to do without the password. I just type the password, then press OK, and again I have to reconfirm the password and press OK. Now this worksheet is protected. If you want to re-edit it, you must unprotect the sheet by entering the same password. Let's suppose that you just want to lock only this column. What you have to do is firstly, click on this section, it will select the whole document. Then format. Unlock cell. Then click on the column that you want to lock. Then again, format. Lock cell. Now do the process of protecting the sheet. Untick the select lock cells, then type the password and press OK. Now you can see that you are unable to select or edit the column that you protected. This can be done for a cell also. The last group is editing group. In the middle of this editing group you can see a sort and filter tool. Easily, you can sort a selection according to alphabetical order by sort and filter tool. As like this. In here if you select the expand the selection option, it will also sort the relevant row or column of data and does not impact on the rest of the original adjacent data, but if you select continue with the current selection option, it just only considers about selected data and only the selected cells will change when sorting. Custom sort option provides you the ability to sort by multiple options. Let's look at an example. I want to sort operators name A to Z, and as well as I want abort rate also to sort according to relevant operator smallest to largest. Click on the sort and filter tool, then click on the custom sort, then for the first column you have to enter the data which want to consider firstly when sorting. I entered operator as the heading value. Sort on. Cell values. Order. A to Z. Then I add a new level for second consideration. My second heading is Abort. Same as before, sort on cell values, order, smallest to largest, and then click OK. Here you can see, the operator's name has sorted from A to Z, and the relevant abort rate, which has under the same operator's name, has also sorted from smallest to largest. Find and select tool. Find tool helps you to find a text in your document. For an example, if I want to find operate which named of aerotransport in this data set, we can use to find an option as like this. Replace tool help you to replace a text which has found by find tool with another text. Go to tool and go to special tool. When considering both tools, commonly those allow you to quickly select all cells that meet certain criteria, such as cells containing formulas, constants, blank cells likewise. If there is any object that difficult to select, especially like line shapes, you can select the Select Object tool under the Find and Select function. Then draw a marquee around the shapes that you want to be selected. It will make an easy selection. Or you can use the Selection Pane tool also. If you click on Selection Pane tool, here comes a window. You can see the shapes list and you can select each by each from the list. The Sum tool. Actually, it is not only the summation, but also, we can get an average, count numbers, determine max or min and more function that are there. I will discuss the formulas under the Formula tab in 5th video in this video series. So, let me show a few examples about Sum tool and just ignore for this point. You can add selected numbers with Sum. You can get average from selected numbers with Average tool. You can get the maximum number or the minimum number of your selection with Max or Min tools. Fill tool provides the ability of continue the data pattern into neighboring cells. As like this. Clear tool basically provides the ability of clearing the selected cells. Clear the formats, clear the contents, clear the comments, clear the notes and hyperlinks. I would like to drop an idea about the Ideas tools. Actually, this is a very powerful tool that include in Excel. Just by one click, it can be quickly generated an analysis about your data set like this. Okay, today's job is done. We talked about all basic functions and tools in the Home tab. Try all the thing that we learned today and play with them. Practice makes you perfect. In the next video we will discuss about the Insert tab and what are the tools and functions that are there. If you think this video series is worth for you, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.